Hello, Lucy.
Who's ready to open it, though?
Everybody.
Let's go. It's like plastic.
We're going to have to pause this.
Task pause.
Got stole.
Sorry. Stop your toesy posy.
Oh, wait. This is,
Oh!
this is my 500 series.
It's opened! That's so cool.
It's my iRobot Roomba 500.
That is so cool, Theo.
It's
It shows the mapping and everything on the bottom of the box. See? 5.
okay, that's a 540. Let me get that.
Model.
This is not.
Oh, there's still one on the other side. It's opening. We got it. It's a Minecraft black square.
Okay.
Can you leave video now? What if I set it up?
That doesn't work. It doesn't work like that.
Yes, it is.
We can't just sing songs because it could be copyright. Sorry.
I don't know much about this.
It doesn't see. Just holding it up.
Oh, you're up. You did it upside down, bro.
Bro.
Wait, did something just fall?
Hey.
What again?
What is it?
What again?
Extra brush rolls.
There's a dog. Oh, the top is yellow, bro. The top is yellow.
That's so cool.
That's so amazing. Pick the Roomba himself up.
Can you hold?
Oh, it's yellow too.
So.
It's dirty.
Can you?
It's very dirty.
Can you hold this? Put it like that. It's a little dirty, too.
Yeah. The top is very dirty. That was my foot.
Sorry. This. What is that? It's a cable for the base. Or just a robot. For further matters, I don't know if this thing has a bad battery or not. So,
There, they can see perfect.
I'm about to test that.
Okay.
So here,
We go. Do you need help? Oh, see. There's the wrapper. There's a rubber band. See, y'all stop it. Silly goober. Gotta check for rubber bands.
this is this 500. So this is this 500, but with demo mode.
Yeah. That's very cool, too.
And this thing's white.
No, that's yellow. That's a cream color.
No, this one's white. See that?
Oh, that. I thought you meant like the outside.
It has kind of yellowed over the years. Robots. Oh, it has the rares. Oh, it has these. Look at how rare this is.
The one-sided brush, bro. It's a one-sided brush.
Yeah.
Okay, it's all entangled, bro.
First, let me try it on my 560.
Package is here. Package is here.
Sorry.
What? I'm already closest to the door. Macri!
What did it? What did it? That's nothing.
see, for lending a helping hand. Okay. So, wait, no.
This thing is right here. They only work.
See, it'll come with its own guard.
Oh yeah.
And it's also yellow.
Bruh,
With a
everything's
green
yellowed. Except for this cord.
Yeah, that's white. That's white.
This is added to my collection. And such as is being put over a Roomba.
Oh my gosh, I forgot how many cords you had right there. Look at that masterpiece of cords. The king of cords. That's what your name should be, the king of cords.
Oh, thank you, 5.
And sorry guys, are you upside down? Or are you right side up? Can't tell if they're upside down or right side up.
Oh, it matters if you're upside, you're
Yeah.
right, you're good.
There's the charging station. Going to 5.
Apparently it lost its sound.
Yeah, I don't really want something sitting on with you. My hand's starting to hurt.
So we're
Good at last. There, so you can see the side of the Roomba. Literally nothing that's still in the top. It's all buttons. All it is the handle and button. Gotta go to the bathroom.
so this thing's not giving charging error, which is kind of weird. It also has what was? So now we gotta wait for it to charge. We're gonna exchange their batteries. As you can see, it should just reset. Has to work. So apparently, this right here it's demo mode. My first time handling it. It's really weird. I've never thought of this, but maybe exchange batteries. I'm gonna make a part 2. For some reason. There's no schedule button. This thing's been maybe 10 minutes.
Leo,
What?
my son actually isn't arriving in 3 days. Like your thing, your robot Roomba. It's arriving tomorrow.
You may not want to say it in my name on camera.
What?
Now everyone will know my actual name.
I said Cerrito.
That just gives them a hint.
I'm sorry. Well, they can tell by your stool. Look, your stool says your name.
Sorry about that, guys. I just wanted that design. That's not my name.
Yeah, that's his nickname.
That's just my nickname. So this, and this,
And this.
so I feel like I should exchange. So I should use this guy's battery and that guy.
Yeah, you should.
So I can see the demo.
You should, bro.
And what package arrived?
Oh, it was Mom's tape. But we're billing the real name again.
Scheduling. As you can see, this. So, see you guys in the next one.